Can we hammer this? Bash this first. Bash this first. Yo, come back, come back, come back. Careful over the walls, okay? Bash this first. Tanks, you're too deep. You're too deep.
Bilang pa.
Hammer, 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 hammer. Actually, no. Come in, come in, come in. Come in here, come in here. Be ready on this J. 3, 2, 1. On this J now, on the J now, on the J now. Okay, come back, come back, come back. We missed. Perma late. Where's the Perma? Come southeast. Fast, fast, fast. Sino yung siege? Bakit may siege na naman? Come southeast.
Yung kahapon din na
So, ano yun si Cho? Gawin niya si Gawin.
Okay, cycle cooldowns now, cycle cooldowns now.
Mababasag ka to, keep bonking no, para may space.
walang damage.
Just wait, just wait.
Din pala si R.
Iba.
Sige, hammer, just bash it, just bash it, just bash it. We need to take more space here. Boys, we're gonna play slow. Take our time here. Be ready. Step up a little bit. Radical, be ready. Oh. Take space here. Ready. North shallow. 3, 2, 1. North shallow now. Shallow on me, shallow on me, shallow on me. And then come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Gago tayo nga pinapanood.
Take the occult, take the occult, take the occult, take the occult. Shaper forward. Nice, good job. Good shit, boys. Spread out, just spread out. Tell me cooldowns, boys.
Ready.
Yo, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. North. Look at me. Inside, northwest. Ready. Northwest. 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Inside. And then come back. Ready. Be careful. Be ready. Nice healers. Good job. Come southeast. Cycle cooldowns again. We need to register more damage here. I need the Incubus Mace to set up more.
Uy, jacket kayo guys sa akin.
Yo, stay on the south. Don't stack too much on the sides. Don't stack too much on the sides. Stay on the sides. Focus on the
Yami,
fighter.
diyan ka na Yami. Dito mag-southwest ako.
Sige lang.
Be ready. I'm gonna fake. Okay, hold on now. Ready. Wait, shaper. Be ready.
Meron pa
Hold the
silang
shaper
isang
now.
Maris
Hold
na.
the shaper. 3, 2, wait after J, 2, 1 on the shaper. Kill this. More damage. Doing now. Good shit. Come back now. Help the east. Nice defensives on the east.
Copy,
Give me
copy.
GDs on the east now. Good
Heal.
Zen, galaw Zen.
Pasok sa Judy.
Heal here.
Tangina nagtatype pa kasi.
May 8-3 ano yan, Urias ha, Miss Piercer ha, na bomba din.
No, go there. Later. Nag-overweight yung healer na lang.
Overweight tong healer, oh.
Sino?
Overweight.
Come outside.
Yo.
Come outside. Guys, we're not entering up. Stay on my south.
Listen, guys,
We're not
listen,
entering up.
listen.
Listen to me. Focus.
Ay, gago, may bedrock sa likod.
Be ready, northwest. Ready. Northwest. 3, boots, 2, 1. Northwest now. Northwest on me. On me. More damage, DPS. I need you to come deeper.
Ay, matakot.
Cycle cooldowns now. HOJ. Bigyan mo ko angle, please. Yo, we're gonna HOJ fake, okay? Wait now. Come south. Stay on my south. Ilan DPS sa party 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then why are we not killing people? Hold now.
Lock in guys. Nice. Okay.
Be ready, north. Ready. Come back. Ready lang, boys. Look, why are we dropping guard runes here? Let me know, why? Spread. Just be ready. Ready on this one and hammer. Ready. Wait. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1 on the J now. Come back. We missed. Nice guard runes there. Come south. All the way south, boys. All the way. Careful. Let me know cooldown.
Sorry.
Cycle your cooldown.
Ready.
Okay, hold on. Actually, this is a good fight. Hold on. Yo, can we posture northeast here? Posture northeast here. Hold on now. Ready, shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Shallow on me. Come back. Faster. Perma, faster. Very late DPS. Come south here.
Reset.
Yeah. It's okay. Long reset. Long cooldown.
Careful on the ledge.
Ready na.
Wait lang, putang.
Yo, tanks. Let me know what's happening, okay? Hold on now.
Yep. Holding na sila dito.
Uy! Sige lang, we have step, bro. Anong disarray ng bulang bintang? 13.
13. Tapos yung mid,
Go, boys, stay on my south. Look, you're stepping up again. I'm not telling you to step up. Stay on my south. Chill. Spread. Okay, hold on. Be ready. Can we do GA on the west side upstairs, please? On the tanks?
Sige. Ako. Wait,
Sige.
wait.
Be ready. West side DPS.
Andiyan si Jet eh. Cover ko tong north.
Ay, pwede ka na mag-mic
Ay,
dito.
lang nila. Pwede ka mag-walk. Eto na, nag-engage siya. Pwede ko na i-GA.
Wait. Jay, west 3, 2, 1. West now. West on me. West on me. Okay, come back.
Nag-engage na rin sa
Come
north
back.
side, northwest side mo.
You're fine.
Wala nang engage sa taas north.
Okay, copy. Okay.
Pwede
stay
kami
like
ulit,
that.
Orius, ah.
My healers, don't
Pwede na,
go
ready.
overextended north side here, okay? Don't go
Grid
overextended
pull,
north
galaw,
side.
grid pull.
Stay on my
Yes,
southeast.
spread out.
Stay on my southeast. Healers, don't go overextended north side. You could go west side overextended, but never north side. They have watch on the north. Be ready.
Bantayan mo yung green ball northwest ha.
Ready. They're walking up. They're looking.
May GA,
They're looking. Def. They miss. Ready. I'm gonna fake this. Look inside.
Pressure,
Demon. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up.
Nice.
Oh shit! Putang ina nyo, bobo pa rin kayo. Comes out.
Ad bossing. Sama ko dyan.
Comes out. Kahit anong gawin, putang ina pa rin. Comes out. Be ready. Tell me cooldowns.
Ready.
8 seconds.
Some of the tanks look west.
Yeah, some of the
Copy.
tanks look west.
Ready, Orius.
Dito ako sa west, sige.
Stay sa north,
Get.
okay, mag-stay
Dito ako
sa
sa
north.
west. Okay, dalawa na kayo. Ang dami nyo dyan eh. West na ako.
Come back. Too tight here. It's too tight. Come southeast, boys. Play slow. Play chill.
Tara.
This is not our fight. Not our fight.
Pull out kayo dyan, Eugene. Reebok.
Yeah, Raybok, be careful on the front,
Munching
Ready,
the-
we're gonna fake on the J. Radical yung W mo lang. Ano mo Come back.
Naka-engage lang nila part. Pwede ko i-GA ito.
Wait lang. No. We're gonna fake on this J. Ready, radical. Fake. Okay, come back. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Nice.
Inang ina mo, kala mo di ka mapapatay. Come back. Help our boys on the front. Good shit, healers. Come back. Na-separate nyo na. Balik na kayo. Tanks. Na-separate nyo na.
Taking cooldowns.
Na-separate nyo na.
Road color ready.
Hold on.
Reebok, walang gagawin yung ano mo, roadbound mo.
Raybok, i-chill mo yan. Wait now. Ready J on the west side, west ng crown.
Okay.
J mo na?
Wait lang. Wala pa. Walang nag-step up. Wala.
nag-hug sila.
Hindi, i-J mo tong J dito sa west. I-J mo to. I want to kill the tanks.
Sige.
J na.
Medyo malapit na yung ano.
Ready, west. 3, 2, 1. West now. Nice. Come back, boys. Nice, occult. Take the occult. Help your tanks on the front. Nice, good shit. Tanks, you're too deep. Yeah.
Looking yan ha. Green ball, looking yan ha. Ingat ha.
Yo. Come back. Argo, masyado kayo nag-ano dyan, ha? Malayo yung healers nyo. Spread.
Copy.
Careful, boys. I need guardians on chokes next time, okay? We need to perfect
Pwede ko
this.
i-GA ulit.
Wait. No, we're gonna do witch work engage. Hold on. Look. North of the crown. Just on top of the crown. North side. 3, 2,
Naka-engage
1.
lang
North of the crown. And then come back. Nice locus. Come back, boys. Come back.
Di sila nag-engage, boss.
Yeah. Can we poke this guy? Okay, never mind. Sige lang. Cycle cooldowns, boys. Yo, do I have tanks backline? Be careful, DPS backline, okay?
Na-check ko. Nag-rotate ako.
Okay.
Road color ready.
Be ready. Look. Wait.
7 seconds, Orius.
Be ready, boys. On the J again. 3, 2, 1. On the J again. And then come back.
Nag-engage na sila, bro.
Wala, kaka-engage
Wala, di
natin.
sila
Cycle down. Cycle fast. Can we cycle fast? Let me know. If you can cycle fast.
Pinupush sila nung
Come north side.
Alliance.
In shop. Step up.
Ready kami.
Step up a little bit. J mo nga, Jet. Give me J.
Ayun, nahatak.
Give me J, yeah. Give me J, yeah. Come back a little bit. Ready. Give me guardians here. Guardians on the
Ikaw dyan sa
choke.
northwest, Jess ha.
Give me
Dito
guardian
ako
on the crown. Be ready. Guardian on the crown. Guardian na, please. Def. Ready. Counter. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Tang ina mo, GNA mo. Come back. Locus cleanses.
Color locking, ping.
Yeah.
Nag-pick lang.
Kalma.
Easy lang.
Nahatak na ako, par.
Be ready.
Reaction time, boys.
Parang,
Mga tao, mga reaction time. yung bulok.
Listen, focus again. Come back south, come back south. Take the
Parang-
okay?
parang
Yo,
Zen
can you
lang,
spawn guard
ang
runes here?
PA.
Can you give me guard runes now? Give me guard rune now. Give me guard rune now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Blow this up.
Okay, boss, walang engage yung ping 300.
More damage, more
Baka
damage,
engage
more damage. Come back, come back, come back. Reset now, reset. Cycle cooldown southside. Cycle cooldown southside. Hindi ba kayo na-GA doon? DPS?
ready.
Good. Okay, guard runes. That's how you put guard runes, okay? Spread now. Be ready. We're gonna come up west side a little bit. We're gonna shallow, okay? Hold now. Give me tanks north side. Be ready. Ready over the wall west here. Be ready over the wall west. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall, 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 over the wall. And then come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. They're looking, they're looking, they're looking, they're stepping up. That's fake, that's
Wala
fake.
pa,
Nice
wala pa,
glances.
wala
Come
pa.
back. Cycle cooldowns now. Cycle cooldowns. Help your tanks guardians up front, please.
Counted on the north mo.
Likod natin.
Come south, come south, come south.
Northeast natin na.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Come south, come south, come south. Actually, come northwest now. Come northwest, come northwest here. Come northwest here. Come northwest, come northwest. Come north, come north, come north. Out north, out north. Give me delays on the west side.
Over the wall.
Yeah, yeah. Come. Ready. Yo, def. Ready. Look at me, southeast on the J. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Bantay.
And then come back. Kite now. Ready. Def. Soak. Heal here. Soak them damage, boys. Soak the damage.
Kaya natin.
Come north.
Ready kami, Aris,
Yeah,
ah.
come north. Listen to me. Come north. Ready. Come north first.
Ready kami, ready.
Stabilize everything. Yeah, I know.
Okay, we good.
Stabilize first. Good shit, boys. Good soak.
Died. What the hell?
Yeah, I know. Nice healers. Good shit.
Heal little, please. Heal little.
Asan si Little?
Walang sa sumap yung engage na yun.
Yeah, we need better stops there, DPS. Thanks. Be ready. South on the bend. 3, 2, 1. South on the bend. On the bend. Okay, come back now.
Ang G2 mamamatay.
They're looking. Spread
Copy.
north. Be careful my tanks. Give me guardians for the tanks. Nice stop, baby. Good job. Come north. DPS, let me know.
Ready.
Careful over this wall west side here, okay? Ready.
Sige, bantayan ko yung west mo.
Look. Wait.
Careful, west. Don't stand here. On me.
Don't have the wall less.
Come back north. Stay on my north. No, stay on my north. Give me guard rune on the crown now.
Jet map check.
Give me guard rune on the crown. Ready, south shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. On the tank. I need you to be faster, boys. Can we yo, come back. Just walk it out. Nice occult. Come back. Take the occult, boys.
Ulat na.
Sinasabi na nga ba, occult lang kulang dito eh.
Ready ulit.
Map check.
15 seconds.
Willow
Willow
Shade.
Shade.
Giveaway 3, ping 300 once giveaway sa west mo.
Come back. Stop inching up with me, boys. Look. Their colors looking. Look at this guy. 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Perma here. Kill him. Oh,
Nice.
Come back. Come back. No more color. Come north, boys. Stop looting. Come north. Look, they're running. Come south here. Actually, come back.
Magta-turn to.
Yeah. Come back. Look. They're looking on the wall. Come back, boys. Give me cleanses locus now. Def. Ready. I'm gonna fake deep.
Oh, healers
Look at
sila
me.
sa South
Look at
Orius, oh.
me. Demon inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then come back. Occult out. Take the occult. Layer the... Yeah, they're pushing. Yeah, they're pushing. Yep. Bedrock now. Bedrock out. Bedrock them out. Get them out of us. Get them
Nice,
out of us
oh.
inside. Okay, good job.
DPS,
Tell me
ready.
cool down,
Lakas natin.
Tell me cool down, boys.
Ready.
Wait. Hold. Keep
Balancing.
kiting. Spread. Ready. Potion. Drink your potion. Def the southeast. Ready, southeast. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, boys. Southeast now. Bumubus, mga tanga, gago.
Disperser sa west.
Come north. Yeah. Come north. More north. Boys.
Hindi sila sa
Yeah. Keep kiting first. Our perma died. Keep kiting first. Yo, okay. Come back. Yo, take your space. Better spaces. Yo, heal Harun.
Get ka muna, Hiliami.
May perma ba sa party 2?
Wala.
Look at me. Shallow. Be ready.
Yo, don't stand on the west side. Don't stand on
Be
the
careful.
west side.
Ready. Radical. Tabihan mo nga yung mga tank dito. Come back, boys. Come back. Come back, come back.
Wait, don't go west.
Ready, ready. Yo.
Yes,
Yo.
sir.
Use your boots, boys. Use your boots. Heal
Green,
up, heal up.
green.
They're looking. Heal green here. Heal green bull. They're looking. Ready on the J. 3, 2, 1 on the J.
Fuck.
Ay, mga DP, mga tanks. Come back now. Take the occult north. Yo, punish this guy. Yeah, bonk him out. Occult north. Are they pushing us or no?
UW.
No.
Okay na.
Separate na naman, no? Separate na.
Sige, push him out. Ready
Ito
inside.
na,
3,
ito na.
2, 1. Inside us now. Blow him up. Okay, come back fast. Go north side. Go southeast now. Southeast. Left. Help the west. Yo, help the west. Comes out, man. Comes out. More. Help your front. Help your front. Spread out.
Wala
Spread
na akong
east.
pang sisi, ah.
Spread on the east.
Spread,
You need to
guys.
spread on the east. Ready, spread. Look at me. North side on the wall. 3, 2, 1 on the wall. Blow this up. Good shit. And then demon. Potion demon.
Copy. Demon.
Oh man, get out. Everybody get out. Take the occult and then get out. Guys, you have to fucking focus. Our tanks died on the fucking first fight. Out. Everybody out.
Utang na ako pa nahila.
Out.
Careful ah.
Ah, shit.
Good
sayang.
fight. Ay, napindot ko yung cleric. The fuck?
Okay.
Positions na lang talaga dun sa last.
Yo, it's all about
Nagkumpulan
positioning.
sa
The tanks, look, tanks, they're waiting for you to get load. That's the fucking reason why I told you, if you are getting half HP, get the fuck out of the fucking fight, okay? Get out of the fight. Take your heals. Don't expect healers to like... Yo, everybody are back to Ravine. Go back to Ravine. Who's declaring on Ravine? Yeah. Somebody.
Pierce.
Pierce? Okay, hold on.
Galing ng party to. Walang namatay.
lang sa Ravine.
Ay,
Ha?
check ko.
6 to 15.
Oo, 6 to 15 lang.
Okay, it was raided. Yeah.
Wala naman laman yan eh.
Hindi, nag-declare ata eh.
Raid lang.
2M.
Mga ano lang, mga dunkers.
Okay.
Dunking gear lahat.
Kagi wala silang raid doon, walang laman yun eh.
Tara, punta na din.
Yeah,
May
I
tao
think we
naman
need
dito eh.
secondary occults here. Come back boys.
Saan babalik na?
We could regroup in Glen.
Wow, tatawa kay Prozier. Ginagis siya.
Captain yung niya.
Ang bobo niya mag-hodge. Bakit gano'n? Pa east side.
Pinilit niya yan. Halata.
East side.
Broken tayo doon talaga sa choke kanina pagbaba.
Bakit?
Yun nga.
Ba't dito tayo dumaan?
Ako na.
Bomba ako kanina. Namatay ako.
Oh, may blob dyan. Ano yan?
Ano lang.
Ay, Ben?
Nag-i-stop kayo sa
Again, tanks, you have to pay attention. Yung ini-stop nyo, ang layo niya. Ang layo na. You have to pay attention, boys. That's the fucking mistake that we have been doing over and over again. That's why you guys are dying. And then you complain to the healers, why am I not getting healed? It's because we are too far already. You're far too forward. If you're getting load, tangina, kalmahan nyo lang. It's fine. Good try. I'm Satos here.
Ako lang ata boy sa ditang sa party ko.
Saan kayo?
These guys are doing too much. You know, you don't need to exhaust everything that you have.
10 minutes OC.
Return dito na si Ruko ah. Naka-hodge.
Yung
Sige lang,
Yung
dalawa.
yung grill di kailangan sa harapan yun eh.
One stop is enough, guys. Usually one stop is enough. Because
Isang tank lang per side.
imagine if we have seven defensive tanks, right? And then imagine your first, like, siguro W ibagsak nyo. 7 Ws na yun. Right? That's why I'm telling you, you don't need to do everything on your own. Play as a team. We're all in this together.
Overbanding ako, hayop.
Namatay ka tawa.
Hindi naman.
Ito pa.
Ilan ba yung GA? Ang daming GA.
Dalawa lang kami.
Wala.
Sa ibang ano yun? Iba 3v5 yun?
Hindi, dalawa GA natin talaga. Kaya nga nanghihingi ako ng offensive GA eh.
Wala pa man din akong dinalang ibang gear.
It's Lambo, baby.
Sayang yung isa talaga.
Slap that face, bebe.
Urias also
Sayang,
9
tagina.
minutes.
Sarap
Yeah,
ng GA ko dun, tangina.
Winnable?
Tangina. Tangina talaga.
Gago, ubos na sana yun. Na-GA mo lang, Jet.
Inaantay ko kasi, tapos bigla ako nagbilang. Putang ina.
Ay, yung last engage daw bago baba.
Engage nyo. Pwede ako mag-swap sa perma. Links
GA pala.
nagsasite.
Sige, pwede naman. Dalawang perma tayo. Sige, G.
Ay, punta na kayo, Glenn. Yung
Ba
mga,
tayo
ano.
BSO yun?
Ano?
No, Mark.
BS?
Ah,
Wala pa tayong BS.
Reebok, wala kang skill ah.
Come.
So, Glenn na.
Matay ka din.
Natusok yan, puta.
Tinusok ako par, Marley ka, putang ina.
Ulit mag-ano.
Come outside H boys.
Hindi na kaya nung tier 7 na giga. Namatay ako ng ano doon. One hit.
Yo, Regear.
Oh, Riz.
Let's go. Black Mob. Regear, guys.
Yeah, advance mo yan, Paul Crop.
Oh,
Advance mo.
DPS si Demi.
Tangina. Pwede naman pala mag-outkeeper to si Owen.
Grabe naman kayo, porket support ako lagi. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman ako from DPS. Grabe kayo.
Ayun.
Ah,
Sa perma, wala pala akong perma gear dito, gagi.
Okay.
Yun.
Just come to Glenn. We could fight them here. Hey, say. Do I still have ice there or no?
Ay, boss, nandito na ako sa akin. Ayos siya.
Bata sila tapos magbardagulan.
Saan yan, Eugene? Lake, okay.
Oras nakamark ako sa Uri.
Si Ruko? Hindi pa. Saan ka?
Ito.
Ito. Kita na kita. Ano, maganda sa feeling no? May
Ay, gabi
nadidelete
kayo.
kayo.
Si Spiso yung ginagamit.
Hindi na nga progressive damage yung natin eh. Hit natin eh.
Si Spiso yung Twitch.
Nawa-one
Sino?
tap na eh.
Gagi si Spiso yung ginagamit na Homes.
Sa Twitch?
Si Rad.
Ano?
Si Rad.
Si Radical, buti din nakita nag-RMT siya. Ay,
Uy, ako ba?
Oo nga, si Rad.
Nabulgar, gago.
Si Rad yung naka-point.
POB?
Yeah, is everybody here? Let's go northeast. How many healers party to?
4 people missing party 2.
Pintat niyo.
No
Ilan healers?
Also check 7
No
minutes.
healers at the moment.
Copy. No healers?
Ah, yes.
nasan ba kayo?
Full chrome galaw.
Check the
Links,
veil.
bili ka dun sa smuggler. Links.
Pwede ka
Ay,
mag-perma.
16 to 30 veil. Hindi ko alam.
Mamaya clip ko
Saan
to.
papunta. Going hollow.
Balik ka lang dito, Pleb.
Nasan kayo, Orius?
Puntang
Glenn,
hollow.
Griffwood Glenn.
Uy,
Thanks.
Gagi, ang mahal daw kayo ni Robin. Ang galing daw ng defensive sa sa hagdan.
Saan?
No.
Grabe naman ang coalition.
Yung tatlong defensive daw sa hagdan, ang galing daw. Mahal na mahal daw niya kayo.
Ang ina niya.
Mali. Ang sabi ng I love the defensive play lang.
Mahal.
Sabi ko na.
Ang ina naman ni Paul. Maling-mali tayo.
Yan,
Oo, pero bitas kita yung ba.
Si Reebok talaga yon. Nirotbound ba naman yung pagka-polymorph sa akin eh.
Kita ba? Kita sa live pa rin.
Kitang-kita.
Na-polymorph ako, nirotbound pa ako, gago.
Galing.
Wala naman laban.
Meron pa. Meron balok sa harapan natin ha.
Banner
Sino
drop.
to? Come back south. Let's wait for the others to zone in. Scout the north side, yung malapit sa
Kala mo rin.
Orius,
Orius,
double
Orius,
OC
5
ah.
minutes OC.
Ay, gago. DPS ka pala.
Not
Ako na.
yet, them.
Copy.
Let me know, let me know. Give me eyes, give me eyes. Sino yung threat sa atin?
Pig, ano to? Detimize, demitize pa
5
rin
minutes
ata.
double OC Orius ha. Sa
Yeah,
kanina
copy.
pa.
Gago,
Okay.
basag yung iba nila.
Wala na yung
Pulling
bahay.
out yung demitize ha,
Level 4.
na may mga na-OC break.
Level 4, Demetize.
Yep, pulling out sila, may mga OC break.
Come northeast here. Sino tong nasa HO? Sexy.
Going.
Gago, tumatakbo.
Kayo na pa yung laban nila.
Ah, fuck.
Tapos na ata yung Teka defense.
Tapos na.
Hindi, may ano pa eh, 23 minutes pa sa 23
Map
minutes.
check Willow Shade Lake.
Yeah, we're
Pwede
here.
pa mag-lunch dyan.
Who's this blob here?
Sexy.
Yo, can we dismount and catch these people here?
Shit, kang ina.
Lolo, papanik ko.
Wala to.
Mount up.
Ina. 3 minutes.
C7 na, shit, gear gago.
No more fight. Come back southwest, guys. Tumakbo na. Sayang. Tangina, tayo pa yung nabawian. Pucha. Okay lang. First day on this comp, boys?
Double OC?
Not yet. I'm gonna tell you.
now.
Sabay tayo.
Ano na lang
Ina mo
kailangan.
talaga, Ryota ka. Yeah, there's no problem with the comp anymore. I can finally rest on thinking about it. The only problem is the organization of the skill. It's really skill placement. Defensive tanks, you have to be aware that what you are protecting is already far away from you. You don't need to protect the other tanks that are beside you, okay? That's what you have to put in mind. Yo, I have a DPS on the north side. Tawa, keep moving.
Ako, nagra-rubber band ako, Rios.
Sige. Zone in. Oh, ano to?
Tanda
Southeast tayo, guys. Southeast tayo, guys.
Matisa tayo, guys. Hindi yan
Gago, nagagangkata ako, pre.
Ha? Come north.
Going ako.
Nag-rubber band ako. Hindi, okay na, nakazone ako.
Shit.
Dami mong ano?
lang eh.
Tayo na mo, naglag ako.
Partida, ang yabang niya kanina. Lit na gano'n. Hindi na ako naglalag.
Orius, reset
Ano
OC
yung
na to ah.
internet mo? Internet
Wait,
yung problema.
Demi, wait. I'm looking at it. Just wait.
Sige lang, 2 minutes OC.
Ang saan pupunta yun?
Hold southeast gate and then we reset OC there.
May
Sabay na
pupunta
tayo.
dyan, red letter.
Wala bang castle?
Wala. Walang castle malapit sa atin. Dismount double OC.
GA lang din eh.
Two. Robin. All rice.
Blowout
Puchang
post
gala
Orius.
ako.
All rise, 20 minutes. Bail.
Oh, fuck you. Zotis, tara.
60 minutes yung
Purple
purple core, sa incline, boss.
Purple
Come,
OP
Kadis.
sa edge, oh.
Tangina, lumabas yung pagka-toxic ko. Bobo talaga. Sorry guys, my bad.
Ano mo, ipapublic ko pa naman sana yung bod ko.
Wag. Don't public your VOD, ha? Tangina, dyan naman mag-uumpisa. Umpisa naman yun dyan.
Yes! Teka, sige, public na guys,
please.
Public ko sana para flex eh, pucha.
Wala, magiging public enemy number 1 na naman tayo.
Wag.
Sorry,
Sorry.
si Brazil,
Pag
sabihin
pinablik
ng sabi ni Orius.
May sumigaw niya si Ryota eh.
Ako pangalan ni Brazil eh.
Putang ina mo, gumanon siya.
Ang ina, early celebration ako lagi. My bad. I'm looking for fights. Hold on. Storm CJ.
Spread, guys. Mabomba na naman kayo.
Ayaw nga, sabi ni Storm
Hindi na ba babalas tayo?
daw eh. Message mo, dali.
Oo nga, I mean, message ko na.
Ayaw
Wala,
yung
boss.
spread,
Yo, you said we FF today. Let's go. Boy.
Boy.
Sabi niya kasi, siya nagsabi, tomorrow, okay.
Hold on, ah. Yo, we badly need more healers. Ang dami natin, wala tayong healer.
Oo nga, gago pati
Daming
party to
support
wala.
lagi.
Tangina, sorry, na-GA ko yun. Putang ina mo talaga.
Kitang-kita na, bod.
Yo, kill it, kill it.
Lumaki yung
Amin sa-
golem nila eh.
Kitang-kita sa, Jet. Sa Twitch.
Okay lang. Lumaki kasi yung golem nila eh. Akala ko
Sabi nga ni Robin, bobo naman nung lethal.
Mas bobo ka, sabi sa akin.
Ay,
Walang mass Pierce? Asan yung Pierce?
Andun no, sa OP. Sa,
May gold OP sila.
Sa edge. Nasa edge sila.
Saan yung edge?
Katabi ng Edge Gold OP sa Valley.
Ay, oo nga. Come, mount up, come southwest.
Arbak.
Ano ko tayo sa ano to, party 2?
Yun na lang. Makatabi oh.
Ba't hindi na lang tayo mag-southeast?
Layo talaga.
Putang ina, layo. Diyos ko po. Rudy.
Tangina na itong wolf na maliit na to eh.
Wala o wala po.
Ano eh. Kusokan ko to ng ano eh. Araw ko eh. Nakainis eh.
Boom.
Unahan ko na kayo doon. Check ko Valley.
kinulot pa yung pag-execute kay Zen.
Gago
Sa
ko
Twitch.
Oh my God.
My God.
May nang 8.4 daw dun.
Ang inang yan.
Saan?
Napatay ba natin yung... Napatay natin yung A3 Shaper? Hindi.
Oo, patay yun.
Patay yun, di ba?
Oh,
Hindi, 8.4 na brim. Brim daw.
Ano sabi tawa nung na-execute ako?
Hindi, parang shinoutcast lang ganun.
Na namatay ka. Ganito.
Pang ina.
Napatay na execute ka lang ng dito.
Oh my God!
Hindi, okay lang yung na-call out eh. Kaso maharli ka nakapatay.
Kaya nga eh.
Tapos transfer pa eh, no? Right
Gago.
off.
Itong account ko.
Sa lahat ng fights namin sa lahat ng fights namin sa Maharlika part, never pa ako namatay sa kanila talaga.
Meron na yung ano, huwag ka counter sana.
Hindi, yung dati.
Ay,
Oo, sa mga dating season.
Yung mga malaking fights talaga, never pa ako namatay sa kanila.
Parati allies sila nakakapatay sa atin o kaya handhold.
Puta nga yan eh. Shit.
Shit. Damang-dama ah. Can you check southwest? Anybody?
Ito. Oo.
Meron din OP yung Pierce sa Bog.
fuck.
Purple din.
Baka malayo na sa bugyan.
Come
Kaso
southeast.
hindi ko sila
Patay
makita.
G, par. Kawawa, par.
Tulungan nyo.
Korean.
Oh, par, binubugbog, par. Kawawa, par.
Takbo ka dyan eh.
Lutong butong ina.
Oo, minutan ka natin Diyos ng Alvin.
Nagpapar lang eh.
O namatay.
Ah, si 69. Gago, ganyan talaga. Masakit yan.
Ito, nahanap ko Hog Rider. Wait, checking if may... Nasa Chasm, 620-30.
Verge, Mishi.
Oh, yaman
Masarap
niya. May
na
69 gig. GB.
Ng blob. Walang
Hog
blob dito.
Rider going to that
Wala.
wrist mode.
Purple.
No,
Place
the
leader eh. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Hog Rider going to, that wrist bog.
Ay.
Lambot.
Death West Bog? Okay.
Lambot.
Putang ina, ang layo. Can we take
Ano?
this? Take this
Ano
purple and then we take legendary also. So, give me eyes on
Tatlong dulo.
give me eyes on Valley. Give me eyes on Valley, please.
Hinahanap
ako na.
ko yung hinahanap
Punta ako
si
ng Valley.
leader. Sila may hawak ng gold castle dito.
Tangin na may rat. Ay, sino to? Sino to si Eloy's Q?
30.
Bakit? Eloisa. Tropa nila Demi.
Ay, kala ko rat.
Bahay ng kalap.
Sorry.
Bakit?
Grabe ka naman sa mga alaga ko, Lital.
Alaga mo ba yan?
Omsin.
Opo, alaga ko.
Oh, wow.
Bahay ng lethal.
Mga tropa peeps.
Babae ba yan?
Ay, yun.
Sino ba kayo sa Valley? Hello?
Sino? Sino ka din dyan, no?
Oo.
Sila si Ayumi.
May ate pa. May ate pa.
Hindi ko mahanap yung Pierce.
May ate
pero
pa yan?
andito sila sa Valley.
Yung slaves leader, nahanap mo? Hindi.
Slave leader, hindi.
Yung Pierce asan?
Meron mga tao sa Valley. Hawak nila yung
Naka-proper?
OP.
Naka-proper ba?
Oo. Naka-proper. Pero konti lang. Dalawa lang.
May batota.
May green vortex
Hanap
dito,
ng
Bali.
Barrio, andyan naman si Ayumi.
Oo nga.
Sino na dito sa Bali?
Sige, check
Merong
mo
Pierce
kung...
dyan sa Valley. Hindi ko lang
Wala
mahanap.
ng party, boy.
Si Yopleb. Ikaw ba nandito, Lopleb? Bali? Okay. May blob dito sa Legendary Outpost.
Sino? Pa-check mo
Meron
kung
na?
sino.
Alam ko
meron.
Pierce. Kanina.
Going ako.
Anong desire?
Malayo pa ako, boss. Wait na. Tama.
Kick mo daw si Aray ko tapos invite ulit. Please.
Add me on FB, Renzo.
Uy, kalaban na ulit yung CCTV nila.
Flinks, change call.
Pati mo.
Bumalik si Jin FF eh. Pierce na sa OP. T7.
Ano?
Ah,
Level 7?
T7 gears.
Ah, fuck.
Ano ba? Si Renzo Rivera.
Ano mo, Jen? Come. Boys.
Orios Paul na yung party to, walang healer kahit isang pota.
Anong meron? DPS lahat?
Gago, meron
Left ang
tatlo.
DPS. Left ang
Wala ka,
DPS.
gago eh, no?
Oh,
T7 nga lang.
Ay, di, sa pala, party 1 pala to.
Wala, oh.
Ay, di kayo nasunod sa shit, ha.
Ano, 6 na, DPS. Sabay,
Anong DPS yan? May brawlers ba dyan?
wala.
Wala. Puro clap.
Din.
Okay.
Tapos
Spirit,
ano,
RB, Wailing.
ang ina, 6 na depth tank.
Sige, let's do...
Kami first na
Okay,
nakadismount sila,
listen.
ingat.
Let's do party 1, party 2 engage, okay? Ilan yung DPS dyan? 7? 6?
6.
Okay, let's do party 1, party 2 engage.
Check yan. Saan yan?
Edge, boy, edge.
Okay.
Hindi kaya, hindi, mamamatay ka
Tapping
mo
na yung Pierce.
May demon kami dito, dalawa.
Dalawang out.
2 out. Oo nga, no?
Okay, party 1, sige lang, sabihin ko na lang. Drop all, drop.
Saan na napunta?
Curious ang damnation sa party 2, sa party 1.
Party 2, sa party 2. Sa party 2.
May damnation din kami, boy. 1v1 na lang.
Pumunta dyan, pleb?
Hindi.
Are they coming to me or no?
No.
Si Kaka-online lang.
Dito sa Valley.
Step bro, trade me for Rosie.
Bakit may blazing to, Pierce?
Wala rat
Oo nga,
lang.
no?
Growing
Kain
class ng iba sa kanila.
mimic ko nga yan.
We only got 3 healers. Fuck.
Mimic natin yung healer. Tama.
Ng party natin.
Yung shit
Ingat
mo.
paro, tatay lero.
Ingat yung shit mo, Orias.
Kaya pala.
Mimic ang healer para maging healer din ako.
Kuha ka pa Eagles, Urios, gago. Wala na tayong healer.
Ay, hanap
Aaron,
ko!
ayo, DPS.
Sa Friday pa dadating. Hintayin nyo lang.
Ice water.
You know, Harun is our eagle.
Aray.
The number 1 eagle, Harun.
Shushaw.
Papunta na ba, no? Argo?
Sa Friday pa para mapagawa pa daw siya laptop eh.
Shusha,
Nagbiyahe.
Dito po.
Hug rider
Ina,
isa.
7 yung depth tank dito. Butangin na nyo.
hindi ko naman alam.
7 ang pota.
Di lang. Side lang naman ako.
Ay, gago. 8 pala. Fix roll ka, pleb.
Tama pala.
Putang inang def check.
Map check.
Dami natin depth tank.
10 def tank.
What the fuck?
Ano to, Pierce? Ano?
Pierce yan.
Map check, Ores.
Bali.
Sa theory
Ito yung
of
Pierce, nasa loob ng Terry.
Terry sila, ayun.
Ores.
Ikaw ba yung tawa sa likod? Yan.
$20 million.
Putang ina level 16 nag-outpost, nakakaasar.
Walang ano eh.
Wala
Walang
bang castle sa
castle.
malapit?
Walang content.
Putang ina, everybody mount up. Come southwest. Let's do scavengers. Come southwest.
Yun.
Can sure fight.
Dito ba
Saan?
lang? Ah, si Ray.
Oh, sorry.
Rayar?
Battle Brave Plane. Battle Brave Plane. Going Battle Brave Plane. Come southwest.
Best
Give
friend
it
mo
to
ba yan,
Pierre.
pre?
BBP, Mishi. BBP. Mishi, healer ka ba, Mishi? Left tank ka din.
I need 2 defensive tanks to go to AR. I'll pay you with your healers.
Puta, left tank din.
Best friend ko si
Okay
Ray.
nang.
Masyado marami ng deep tank par.
Let me know. X up on the guild if who wants to switch to healer. I'll pay you later.
Uy, palit kayo gear.
Ano, wala akong gear dun eh.
Bili kayo. Babayaran daw kayo ng Rios.
Sige lang, Mishi. It's okay, Mishi.
Ay, perma ako doon.
Perma.
Wala akong
Ilan
specs
nga?
dun. Ayun yun na
Hindi,
yun.
baka, hindi, yung ano, yung iba.
Healer na lang ako, Rios.
Ay.
Invite Sitius.
Full na yung party 2. Ay. Diyan ka pala?
Healer daw siya, mag-heal daw.
Okay, sige.
Yeah,
Forever Night.
X, okay. Go straight to AR and then switch to healer.
Go change. Super kako. SH ka ba dyan?
Meron.
Meron, yung pinakamagaling.
Ulul.
Ulul.
Guys, be careful. Putik na yun.
Saan si Ace?
Na-dismount ng mob sa ano.
Kala ko. Spike ko yan part tong ina.
Yung pag nag-insert tayo, kailangan natin mag-set home doon? Or hindi na?
Kailangan.
Ayo.
Kailangan. It's okay. You can walk with me. You can walk. Trade ako.
Uy, puta, may kumukuha ng edge natin. Gago talaga.
Ano yan? Yung pierce yan?
Years lang yun.
Ratter lang yan?
Kaya
Oo.
ako naman.
Ang laki par. 151.
150.
Okay, fight.
Gagi ka, ang laki.
Fighting yata. Yeah. Give me eyes. Fighting yata.
Bulan
Stay with
natin
me.
dito, eh.
Boys, your colors here. Stay with me. Pacheck kung sino naglalaban.
Mobing.
Uy, balik kayo doon. Makukulit.
Dismount and food check. If you don't have food, dismount.
Ba't wala ako si mo, Zen?
Patay na.
Napatay nga siya.
Aray ko, namatay siya.
Yo. Quiet. Sino naglalaban?
She
Wait,
tapos
wait.
Avengers.
From Southeast.
Hindi
Yeah.
daw.
She. Wait lang.
She Alliance?
She Alliance.
Anong disarray? Give me disarray.
Avengers,
Check in.
26
Snake
DA.
leaders.
Mabawasan.
Level 1. Shea Alliance. Level 1 lang. Scavengers level 26.
Okay, come south.
Yep.
Napupush na sa southwest yung ano. Shea
Yung
Alliance.
scavengers nandito sa may ano southeast banda. Northeast southeast ng banda ng castle.
Yeah. They have siege bow bomb. They have siege.
Walking out tong ano. Shea Alliance dito
Come
southwest.
north. Dismount here.
Kerker. Nagbabantay.
They have siege bow bomb.
dito ba?
Listen. They have siege bow bomb. Na. Come north first. Anong nangyari?
CCTV north, galing na north,
Walking out
boss.
sila.
Mount up nga.
CCTV, wait nga. Nakita ko yung DMD sila.
Yeah. Check macro first. Come north.
Shea Alliance moving southeast of castle.
Yeah.
Walking out level 2.
Sino yung southeast natin? May tao din southeast eh.
Shea Alliance on ping.
Hindi, yung southeast gate, ayan no, yung madaming namatay. Come southwest.
Hindi
Check na ako.
Forever night, ano to? Hindi, ano, sorry. Wait lang.
Hindi, sige na. Check ko na lang.
Heaven
Scavengers sa loob. Wait.
Namatay caller ata.
Dismount ako.
May mga ano.
Slaves to kayo.
Different GEO.
Ito ba
Scavengers
CCTV?
na
Ano layas nito?
Stay with me, boys. Be careful. Sino to? Everybody go north. Ang ina naman.
Hindi ko
Scavengers
makikita.
na sa loob. Yung
Jin,
isa
Binabrawl
yata.
out na sila, palabas.
Gin Alliance.
GE ba yan, yung southeast?
Hindi.
Come northwest.
Hindi.
Earn money. That's earn money. Come northwest. Ang ina, ang tagal nyo ma-figure out Anong disarray?
33.
23 earn money.
Hold on.
Gin Alliance 23.
Come northwest.
May dumadating ng mga ano dito GE. Ano to?
Come northwest. Come northwest, come northwest.
Giga level 23 ah.
Palagyan, par.
Nasa loob ng castle. Inside.
Mm-mm. Hold on, come southwest now. Sige, yung Jin Alliance southeast, di ba? Tama?
Yap. Nandito sila.
Ang dami namang rat.
Everybody dismount here. Dismount here.
GHE papunta sa'yo, mounted. Pwede
Okay,
ba ikaw?
mount up again. No. Mount up again. Come north side.
Bumalik southeast.
Mounted slaves leader.
Mounted.
Yeah. Yung Jin Alliance yan, di ba? Hindi yan Jin Alliance sa atin.
Hindi.
GHE.
Yeah,
CHE. Nandito na sa southeast na Orius, nasa southeast na mounted pa rin. Nag-iikot lang. Nasa akin mismo, nasa akin mismo.
Yeah. Ano ginagawa niyan?
Naka-hold lang dito.
Yo, careful. Putang ina, may CCTV. Yo, come north. Ayoko nun.
CCTV level 23.
Yeah. They're here, oh.
Oh, Jin Alliance din yan eh, CCTV.
Jin. Earn money tapos parehas na.
Yeah.
Gulo nito.
May toy boy pa.
Di ba handle yung slaves leader na yun?
Hold on. Hold northwest. I wanna full send this.
Nag-back out na lahat ng CCTV boss, bumalik na lahat.
Yeah, regrouping natin. Ha?
30 minutes.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Hold on, just wait. What's happening southeast? Do you still have ice? Nag-pull out ba lahat ng tanks?
Handle data yung ZH.
Wala to.
Handle
Saan ba
matic slaves leader
Hatol dyan,
tsaka.
Z tsaka Ginep.
Where are they fighting? Let me know, please.
Umaalis na yung Giga.
Yeah, no. Fuck that. Come northwest.
Southeast yung
Patay, si
CCTV.
RPH.
Uy, si Ray Ar.
yung...
Nasa Avenger na pala. Wala na sa Agila.
May mga riggers pan dumadating CCTV.
Yeah. Come north.
Dito lang itcha nila eh.
Let's not risk our gears.
Ang laki ng CCTV, gago.
Kulang pa mas natin. May bomb squad na yan.
Ano to, Orias? Bibigay ito sa Forever Night.
Ata, reward nila. Yup.
Okay na yan. Huwag na sila dun sa kabila.
Hindi, magkano pa rin sila dun.
Sa platoon.
Let's just take the... putang ina. Wala tayong matek. Sige, okay na yan.
Hindi, abot pa naman ata to eh. Yung castle.
Wala, 11 seconds.
Ay, wala.
Kasi gold OP. Hindi babot.
Check ko na lang.
It's okay. Officers, let's do riggers now, okay? Including the ones yesterday. Para ma-reset na yan. Ay, nako.
Ito na. Nakuha na.
Abot ba? Hindi. Nakuha na.
Nakuha na. Parado na eh.
Ang
Okay.
pangit
Okay.
ng skill no, par. Ang liit sa... ay, ang laki sa OP, liit sa castle.
Yeah.
Yeah, tama lang to. Level 18.
Tama lang to.
Takot lang si Orius.
Okay,
Ay, narinig pala. Sorry.
Dek, okay naman sana yun.
kung itong Zerg na to, tulad sa Unfriends, papalagaw. Ang inang yan. Under training pa halos lahat eh. Kaya, filma natin.
Training arc.
Yeah,
Wakas na training art eh.
Everyone watch Mortin on YouTube.
Yeah. What's it?
Kulang na lang ba? Nakapag BM. BM and bombs.
Fuck Martin, bro.
Uy.
Sino yun? Sino yun si Lynch?
Ay, di ako yun.
Ay, naku.
Ito yun, gago.
Yung magrarat ng
Oo,
Korean,
masisip
2
pa
minutes
siya.
na lang to. Purple.
May sampayang tao na. Mama Martin effect pag pumasok ulit yun dito.
May balat daw sa puwet, sabi niya, ano.
Grabe naman yung galit mo kay Mortin.
Gabi hindi naman nakagalit, ano? Yung Martin effect lang.
Si Pleb, utang ina nito.
May
Gabi nakagalit kay Martin.
May balat daw sa puwet.
Mema ka, boy. Ano outside here?
Kilala mo nung pumasok sila dito, curious. Tapos
Can we-
tinanong niya ako.
Can-
Ayaw
can
niya
we-
ako dito sa good.
Can we bring the work core?
Yeah,
Meron pang
we
court
have
sa
a cult.
kabila.
We have a cult.
Sige lang,
Go.
just bring it, we have a cult. I'll wait on the gate, Nartos. Ano, Pleb?
Nung
Meron
tinanong ako
pang
ni
incline
Martin
Orios.
kung ayaw ko ba daw siya sa guild. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ayaw ko sa'yo. Sabi ko, meron ka sampa. Gumanon ako sa kanya. Tumawa siya, di ba?
Wala. Ganun talaga.
Tangin ng tao yan.
Ako, no comment ako dyan. Tropa ko yun.
Ayaw mo naman. Tama naman si Martin. Simula nung nasa Bridgewatch tayo.
Bridgewatch ba tayo nag-start nun? O sa
Gago may blab sa Verge.
Hindi,
Sino?
nung...
Who's the Blab on Verge?
Wait lang, putang ko.
Kung may
Alay
disarray ka,
ata.
tayo eh.
Alay.
Season 22 ata yun. Kasama na.
25, di ba? Ano eh,
Oo nga.
disarray
Oo
eh.
nga.
Level
Ate nga.
25.
Visit.
Walang sana yun, no? Kasama GE.
Alay yan?
Tama, Demi.
Oo, 25
Alay.
day.
Yan yung
Ako
tinutuloy.
25 day, 28 na, disarray.
Meron siyang sumpa, sabi ko.
Next year, I got to learn your language. Yes, cardio. I don't say sangkay anymore. I just say spread.
We say, Z.
Yung mo, si Demi tumawa rin, no?
With yung
Alam
GE
niya rin
sa
yung
stat.
sumpa, eh.
Tumawid GE sa static?
Oo. Cathedral.
Ah, hindi. If-flip nila agad yung mga casual kasi hindi sila marunong mag-siege. Kaya maaga nagmamas yan. 30 minutes before timer, may mas na yun.
On the other side.
Kasi brawl lang alam nila.
Black Boys? Ba't alam mo yung Black Boys?
Gago? Si Demi?
Gago, OG na yan si Demi. Tanda na din. Ay, sorry. Demi.
Oh. Aray ko po.
Boys ka, Demi?
Oh, West
Gago.
player, West player.
May-
Pero alam ko
may-
yung reputation
may-
ni Martin sa West.
may
pero
cordon
hindi ako
dito,
sumama
gago.
sa
May purple cord din dito sa incline.
Sige, bilis.
Tara, kunin
Same
natin
time
tao.
lang din yan, same time.
Gago baka
Hindi,
mabit tayo.
Bukas na to.
Kaya nga, same time nga lang.
Gago, ang laki pala natin no, pagka nag-full mass din tayo. 40 plus. May mga nag-out na eh. Yo, i-drop mo na, Eloy.
But niya na lang yung takboy.
Relay.
Pilipino.
Tangin na, mangungupal to eh. Tamo.
Bakit?
Oh, puta, let me help.
Let me help. Diretso sa HQ.
Let me help.
Diretso sa HQ nila.
May pinasok HQ, no?
Core mo, magiging core ko. Dark Blue, don't drop it ah. It's very close
Record
to dirt.
dito. Nakuha nyo na.
Kukunin pa lang namin.
Ingat ah.
Gago, si
Ilan yan? Dalawa? Isa.
si Baba Donk yung
W.
nag-carry ng core dito sa incline, namatay siya.
Go blind nga agad eh.
Tara dito. Tabi.
Yun, nag-dismount din, oh.
Go fuck CCTV. kayo pala, boss. Mas malaki kayo ah. Di nila matalo CCTV eh.
Teacher Joe ba? Ang sakit ng ni Teacher Joe talaga.
BS ba siya?
Idepo mo na, tawa.
BS yan.
Sa atin na yan.
Nasa Joker's
Wag.
Para mas
Hindi po. Sayang po.
Guys, GE will make an ally HO here in Verge so we could craft here also next time. Mm.
Sino pa mas malakas? CCTV ba or MC? Coalition.
CCTV or MC? Yung prime ng MC tapos prime ng CCTV?
Dito. Diyan ka dumadaan.
Siguro.
Hindi, CCTV part. CCTV
Ay,
part.
yung ano ba?
Ano ba, sa war or sa 1v1?
Sa 1v1, siyempre.
MC part. Kung andun pa sila 600, yung mga OG na bomber.
Ba't di natin palagan?
Tangina mo.
Tusad yun.
Yung MC, Nag-grow na
Ano
yung para.
eh.
MC, pinalagan natin eh.
Gago, terrified yun eh. Tapos tayo yung defending eh. Kaya tayo pumalag.
Hindi naman yun takot si Orisano.
Hindi nyo alam, si Ryota guild leader ng MC.
Takot lang yan kay Teacher Zo.
Hulo yan.
Hindi ako takot. Natatakot ako para sa inyo. Utang ina nyo.
Lagi ba naman nadadali ni Teacher Zo eh.
Siyempre, tinitignan natin kung kaya na ba ng players natin. Kung hindi pa, di, skill issue lang.
May
Tangina
Naalala
yung-
ko tuloy.
Bakit sa tayo dinadala yung core?
Joker.
Ewan ko
Hinihintay yung
ba
isa.
yan?
Hinihintay yung,
Dinadala yung core.
Hindi.
Para hindi magang.
hinihintay yung isa ah.
Oo,
Hinihintay para doble.
Hinihintay na
Si
nga
Tawa.
kayo eh.
Sayang yung points. O, sige, kabit nyo na.
Boss Green.
Nagalit si Demi.
Baba mo na, Boss Green. Tangina mo, ganun pala maghintay ng core. Okay.
Sorry, sorry.
Dalawang purple.
Ganun pala, my bad,
Ah.
my bad.
Our guard spotted hostile in Avalanche, Craig.
Uy, may madidismount.